Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create lightboxes or pop-ups in Wix so you can capture leads, announce sales, or grow your email list with professional, high-converting overlays in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the Add Elements menu and select Lightbox. The first step is locating the Lightbox library within the Wix editor. In 2026, Wix has categorized lightboxes by their goal, such as welcome, subscription, or promotion, to help you start with the right layout. Log into your Wix dashboard and click Edit Site. On the left-hand sidebar, click the plus icon to add elements. Scroll down to the Interactive category and select Lightbox. This is the blueprint phase. By selecting a pre-designed Lightbox category, you save yourself the time of manually building a container and an overlay background. In 2026, these templates are already optimized for entrance animations, ensuring they grab your viewer's attention without being intrusive. Next, choose your Lightbox template and placement. Once you see the variety of styles, you need to pick one that matches your site's aesthetic and the specific action you want your visitors to take. Browse through the templates like Center Pop-Up or Sidebar and drag your favorite onto your canvas. For a high-impact announcement, a center lightbox is best. For a subtle newsletter sign-up, a side or corner lightbox works well. Visual hierarchy matters in 2026. A center lightbox acts as a gate that requires interaction, while a side lightbox allows the user to keep reading your content. By picking the right placement now, you define the user flow and ensure your pop-up feels like a helpful addition rather than an annoying distraction. Lastly, set the trigger and display rules. Now you need to tell Wix when the pop-up should appear. You don't want it to fire at the wrong time and frustrate your visitors. Click the Set Triggers button on the floating lightbox menu. Choose Automatically Display on Pages and select which specific pages it should appear on. Then set the delay, like 5 or 10 seconds. This is the timing phase. In 2026, the best practice is to wait until a user has engaged with your content before showing a pop-up. Setting a 5-second delay ensures the page has fully loaded and the visitor is settled. You can also toggle the Close button settings here to make sure users can easily exit the pop-up, which is vital for mobile accessibility. And that's pretty much it. To create a Lightbox in 2026, go to Add Elements, Interactive, Lightbox, and drag a template onto your site. Use the Set Triggers menu to decide when and where it appears. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.